Hi there. Today we're going to fit the BIKGLOV cover to our bike and then put it on the roof and just show you the procedure. The BIKGLOV cover obviously comes in this, as we've demonstrated previously with putting it on the bike, so it comes in the pouch. It's pretty straightforward procedure. If you've put bikes on top of cars before, it's a pretty easy process. So remove the cover from the pouch itself. Again, as we've talked about before, there's a front and a back to the cover. So you have the BIKGLOV logo is at the rear of the bike, and the web address is at the front of the bike, both sides of the bike. As we've indicated before, it has a seat position and a handlebar. So I'll locate this on the bike itself. You position the seat position here. You then pull your cover over your handlebars as such, locating the reinforced area adjacent to each of the handlebar locations. As I've suggested before, this is the position that you leave the cover in before you put it on top of the bike itself. So we'll now locate the bike on the car. Putting it on the four-wheel drive is a little bit more difficult than it is on the normal car, but straightforward process. So you pick the bike up, locate it on the top as you would normally do. Positioning your wheels. The beauty of the BIKGLOV cover is that it's open in the bottom, so your angular arm from your roof racks can be easily attached to the frame as such, winding it down, and the cover just sits here until you've got the bike in position. You then position your wheels, and like before, you pull your cover down at the front. You can attach the Velcro tab here, and again at the rear. Position your cover down over the back of the wheel as such. Sometimes it gets hooked up on the other side, but it's easy enough to pull down. You then attach your Velcro tab here, another Velcro tab through the wheel itself. Again, fastening the cover down, and also at the front. Just unhook it from the other side, and that's pretty much the process. Cover's in place, protects the bike from the weather, protects your cluster, protects your handlebars and your seat. So in transit to events or for your pursuit of enjoying the outdoors with your bike, these covers are ideal to look after your bike and your investment. And simply that's it. On the bike, on the cover, on the car, and off you go. Thanks. See you soon.